But yeah, it's up there. It's up there. It's up there. Trust me. We taking our shit back. Well, that I mean, you could like remember that you are in control. Remember that you are in control. Like it'll be hard. Like long as you like, it's more challenging. It's a good challenge. You at a nine to five, but shit, you got to get more and more time for yourself. I mean, it's cool. Like you'll break away from that. You gotta believe in yourself and know that you are everything and raise your frequency. Keep your vibration high. And like, see, when I was working, when I was working, I used to create a shield over me to protect my energy because I'm a Heyoka empath. I I absorb energy. I can feel all the energy. So I like what my personality. My personality is like if the vibrations is low, I'm gonna raise the frequency wherever I go. And whoever on a low vibrational frequency, I'm gonna piss their demons off without even telling them anything. So you gotta remember that you are in control of how you feel and you're in control of your happiness. See what I'm saying? I love challenges. See what I'm saying? I just laugh at them and I transmute that negative energy. See, you gotta tap into yourself and transmute that negative energy because negative energy gonna always be around. It ain't nothing but a test. You got to look at it as a test. See things for what they are and not what you want it to be. Because, see what I'm saying? A lot of people going to only project how they feel about themselves. And if they see you walking in your light and your true authentic self, you're going to piss their demons off and they're going to try to attack you in a certain kind of way because they're fiending for energy. They basically trying to get you to react but you gotta see it for what it is, and strictly for what it is. This person don't love themselves. This person hate themselves, so they trying to siphon my energy from me to get me to react in a negative way because they're controlled by the evil entities. See what I'm saying? They're unaware. A lot of people don't even know why they hate you. They don't even know. It's just the demons. You piss their demons off. See what I'm saying? So you gotta know how to transmute that energy and not react in a way. It's not about what you go through. It's about how you react to what you go through. See what I'm saying? That's a learning process.